A telescoping extension pole is a versatile tool, designed to help you reach those hard-to-access areas without the need for ladders or scaffolding. Think of it as a superpower for your arms, allowing you to extend your reach with ease. Made from lightweight yet durable materials like aluminum or fiberglass, these poles can be adjusted to various lengths, making them perfect for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're painting high ceilings, cleaning windows, or trimming tall trees, a telescoping pole adapts to your needs. Most poles feature a locking mechanism that keeps the sections securely in place, preventing wobbling or slipping while in use. This gives you control, stability, and peace of mind, no matter the task. Not only is it a fun gadget to use, but it also helps you work smarter. Forget the hassle of climbing ladders or constantly shifting your position. Just extend the pole to the length you need, attach a brush, roller, or tool to the universal tip, and you're ready to go. For those into DIY or home improvement projects, this tool can feel like a game changer. Plus, it folds down into a compact size when not in use, making it easy to store. In short, a telescoping extension pole is the ultimate tool to help you get things done efficiently, safely, and with minimal effort, all while adding a bit of fun to otherwise difficult tasks.